Hello and welcome back to our English learning course. This is lesson 12, and today we're moving from shopping to something equally important, going to a restaurant. In this lesson, you will learn useful restaurant vocabulary, how to ask for the menu and order food, how to talk to a waiter politely, how to ask about ingredients and preferences, how to order drinks and desserts, how to ask for the bill and pay politely. Mini dialogues for real-life practice. By the end of this lesson, you will feel confident speaking English at restaurants, cafes, or even fast food places. So let's begin. Part 1. Restaurant vocabulary. Let's start with some basic words you need at restaurants: menu, table, waiter, waitress, order, starter, appetizer, main course, dessert, drink, beverage, bill, check, reservation, booking a table, cutlery knife, fork, spoon, napkin, dish meal, or plate. Practice tip. Repeat each word aloud and imagine you are sitting in a restaurant. Part 2. Asking for a table. When you enter a restaurant, you need to ask for a table. Useful phrases. Good evening. A table for 2, please. Do you have a table for 4? We have a reservation under your name. Can we sit by the window? Waiter might say, yes. Please follow me. Sorry, we are full right now. Do you have a reservation? Example dialogue. Customer. Good evening. A table for 3, please. Waiter. Of course. Please come this way. Part 3. Asking for the menu after sitting down. You will want to see the menu. Useful phrases. Could I see the menu, please? Do you have an English menu? Can you recommend something? Waiter might say, here is the menu. Our special today is grilled chicken. Yes, we have an English version of the menu. Example dialogue. Customer. Could we have the menu, please? Waiter. Of course. Here you are. Part 4. Ordering starters and main course. When you're ready, you need to order food. Useful phrases. I would like the chicken soup to start. For the main course, I'll have the grilled fish. Can I have the pasta, please? Could I try the steak? Medium rare? What do you recommend? Waiter might say, how would you like your steak cooked? Would you like rice or potatoes with that? Good choice. That's one of our best dishes. Example dialogue. Customer. I'd like the vegetable soup to start. Waiter. And for your main course. Customer. The grilled chicken, please. Waiter. Would you like it with rice or fries? Customer. With rice, thank you. Part 5. Ordering drinks. Useful phrases. Can I have a glass of water? I'd like a cup of tea. Could I get a coffee with milk? 1 cola, please. Do you serve fresh juice? Waiter might say, would you like still or sparkling water? Do you prefer hot or iced coffee? Dialogue. Customer. Can I have a glass of orange juice, please? Waiter. Fresh or bottled? Customer. Fresh, please. Part 6. Ordering dessert. Dessert is the sweet part of the meal. Useful phrases. What do you have for dessert? I'll take the chocolate cake. Can I have some ice cream? Do you have fruit salad? Waiter might say, today's special is apple pie. We have ice cream, cake, and pudding. Example dialogue. Customer. What do you recommend for dessert? Waiter. The cheesecake is very popular. Customer. Okay, I'll have that. Part 7. Asking questions about food. Sometimes you need more information. Useful questions. What is this dish made of? Is it spicy? Does it contain nuts? Is this vegetarian? Can I have it without onions? Example dialogue. Customer. What's in the seafood pasta? Waiter. It has shrimp, clams, and a cream sauce. Customer. Sounds good. I'll take it. Part 8. Asking for the bill. When you finish eating, you need to pay. Useful phrases. Can we have the bill, please? Could you bring the check? American English, do you take credit cards? Can I pay by cash? Do we pay here or at the counter? Waiter might say, here's your bill. Yes, we accept credit cards. Please pay at the counter. Example dialogue. Customer, excuse me, could we have the bill please? Waiter, of course, I'll bring it right away. Part 9. Role play, practice dialogue 1. At a cafe customer. Good morning. A table for one, please. Waiter, this way please. Would you like to see the menu? Customer, yes, thank you. Waiter, would you like something to drink? Customer, a cappuccino please. Dialogue 2. At a restaurant customer, could I see the menu please? Waiter, here you go. Our special today is roast chicken. Customer, that sounds nice. I'll take that with salad. Waiter, would you like anything to drink? Customer, just water. Please. Waiter, still or sparkling? Customer, still. Thank you. Part 10. Polite expressions. Always be polite in restaurants. Please, thank you, excuse me, yes, please, no, thank you, that was delicious. These words make your English sound natural and respectful. Part 11. Practice at home. Here's your practice activity. Write down 3 starters, 3 main courses, and 3 desserts you like. Practice ordering them aloud. I would like the chicken soup to start, for the main course. I'll have the grilled fish. I'll take ice cream for dessert. Role play with a friend. One is the waiter, one is the customer. Part 12. Quick review. Today you learned vocabulary for restaurants, asking for a table and menu, ordering food, drinks and dessert, asking questions about dishes, asking for the bill and paying. Polite expressions for a natural conversation. Now you are ready to go to any restaurant in the world and speak English with confidence. Great work today, everyone. In our next class, Lesson 13, we will return to shopping, focusing on electronics and household items. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a lesson. See you in the next class and maybe at the restaurant too.